let's try it for a section like this.
All right.
You drop that chord onto the piano, and then you release it. And now you decide to play another chord. Just so happens that spatially speaking, it's the chord that's printed right next to the one that you just played.
Mm-hmm.
But that's a spatial thing
Mm-hmm.
that we're going to turn into a time thing, but we don't want to take it for granted that that becomes the time sequence, because we could have gone from this one to that one to that one to that one.
Mm-hmm.
So we're choosing to turn the time sequence into the sequence in space. But it's our choice. It's not a given. Yes. Okay. When you played this, I felt certain that you were going to play that.
You did, but I
Yeah.
didn't play it. Did I?
Well,
Oh, I didn't get there.
You hopped off this and tried to find that.
Oh, yeah, I did.
When you're on that, I want to think that you might have stayed on this forever.
Right?
Bravo. Now don't connect. Just decide what you want to play next. What do you happen to want to play next?
Oh, I think I'll play this.
And after that, and after that, and after that.
Oh, what's this?
A series of decisions and choices rather than a series of inevitabilities. There's no rule says that after I've played that, I have to play that.
Yeah.
I may decide to do that. That's my free choice. And then you do it, and you notice what it sounds like. And say, oh, I created the earth and the heavens, and at the end of the day say, that's good.